All right, let's talk about this here. So this is Ubuntu, and I'm using XRDP to access it. So it's right here, and it's very smooth. It's very fast because I've optimized it, right? So I've got access to it. Now the really cool thing about the Passport is you got the keyboard, right? And you got all the commands that come with it. So I can pull up my menu bar here, and I've got my special keys. But it's a really great way to use like a Linux desktop. And this is one of the reasons why I keep doing so much development on the Passport and just BlackBerry 10 in general, because I can minimize this, and then I've got another RDP app here, and I can load this up, and it's another session open. But then I also have Term 49 with the Very Much OS, and I've got Python 3 and a lot of like custom compiled bins as well. So as a developer, I've got access to all my favorite tools that I use for programming. So I've got GCC. I have obviously Python 3.11, which is new, and that's natively deployed on the device, right? So the device itself is running Python 3.11, but I often use these for remote computing and doing things like that. Now the cool thing is that I can stream YouTube and audio from it, and it's very fast. It works really well. And then of course I have all my BlackBerry apps and whatnot. Like I could open up my DOS box as well, and I run that, and it's so fast. Like the phone is over a decade old, but it runs this stuff just amazingly well. And it's one of the reasons why I keep developing on it. Now, a lot of people say, well, Android is decent. If I had to go that route, I'd probably go like UB ports and run Android in UB ports. But the BB10, the operating system, is amazing, and it's very fast. And that's the reason why I'm pouring so much effort into keeping it alive. And I'm pretty sure that with Python 3 and the new request module, I can develop like a lot of apps. The only thing I'm limited by is the browser, but I'm working on compiling a V8 engine on the native, like through BB10. And if I get that, then I should be able to render modern JavaScript in some way. But anyways, yeah, so I just thought I'd chat about my, because I know that I've got some views on my whole Ubuntu setup here. But yeah, thanks guys, and appreciate your support.